So we made it to Salinas Grandes. We were just every direction salt flats, and this isn't even the thick of it. We actually drove off a dirt road to the side. We're gonna go down the main road soon and actually do a tour with them. But for now, we just wanted to get as close as we could for droning purposes in case they are weird about it. So, but it's incredible out here. You getting bangers?
Droning.
Right now we're getting our tan on, just getting some time lapses and some drone stuff.
Hey guys, so we're here at Salinas Grandes and we're super hyped with the location. So we actually decided to spend the night here and shoot sunset and sunrise tomorrow. And if we're lucky, some astrophotography tonight. So it looks like we're not sleeping much, but we're gonna have some lunch right now and just enjoy the afternoon.
We got pasta. We have a border crossing tomorrow, so we have very limited carby food.
How much do we love pepper?
We love pepper.
And soy sauce. Those are the main ingredients for all of our meals.
There's not much here. So at this point, we started driving towards the point where we can actually book a tour to go out on the salt flats. But here's some of the drone footage that we filmed while we were just basking off this little dirt road. You can see a ton of reflections. You can just see salt for miles and miles. It's actually insane how big this place really is, but it was so cool.
So this building here is made out of salt blocks. It's pretty amazing. Llama?
We just got our tickets and now we're gonna take one of the guides with us in our own car. Our van's a two-seater, so it's gonna be a little bit interesting. I think Bri's gonna hop in the back. And our guide only speaks Spanish and absolutely no English, so this will be interesting.
I'm back here on the bed doing some translating.
How is it? So these little blue lines, we're not entirely sure what their purpose was. Because the tour was so short, we weren't able to ask too many questions, but it's just like the coolest looking thing in the world. And she said you're actually able to drink from this, so I'm not sure exactly how they process the salt from here, but I do think it's pretty cool that these salt flats are at 3,400 meters, so they're actually above 11,000 feet in elevation. So when we were here, we were actually feeling the altitude. Then we headed off. I hopped in the back of the van and Bri was driving, and our nice little tour guide hopped in the passenger seat. So as Bri was mobbing on these salt flats, I did my best to get some steady drone footage. It was storming all day. Luckily, we didn't get rained on until a little bit later, but it made for this really cool light between these like super white salt flats and then just these dark blue, gray skies. It's super, super cool. And right here, we're pulling up to what they call ojos de salar. And these, although you can drink out of the blue lines and the salt water there, these are extremely toxic for your skin. So you're not actually able to get in these or drink from these. almost just lost the drone because we were driving and my home point was 2,000 meters away, and I got it. My screen went black, so like 10%. It was all crazy, but we got it back. It's really windy here.
It is windy.
At this point of the tour, our audio was super bad. The wind was insane out here. Like I said, I almost lost my drone, so the wind was really, really loud. We talked a little bit and we were vlogging, but you couldn't hear anything. So at this point we wrapped up. We got some of our last shots at the Ojos del Salar, and then after this we started to head back, kind of in perfect timing for when the rain came. Once the rain came, we got back to the salt flats, and then we just kicked it around the area. Just enjoyed the rest of the night. We shot some photos at sunset with some of the moody skies. There was a bunch of lightning, so we were taking some photos of the lightning. It's a really, really cool day. All right, well, that's it for this one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one.